Hey, cousins, I could not wait for the holidays to creep up. So, you know what? We're about to get right on in. Now, before we start cooking, I need you to go ahead, share this recipe on your timeline so you can get your cousins right, okay? So, let's get started. So, I got my turkey right here. The first thing I'm going to do is empty out the cavity. So, the neck, the giblets, the livers, all that stuff, empty it out of the cavity. If your turkey has some excess skin, rid of it because you don't need that, and then set all that stuff to the side. So here is my poultry seasoning, Rosa Mae's seasoning poultry seasoning. I'm using original in this video, but we do have it available salt-free as well. Here in this bowl, I have some butter, just regular old unsalted butter. If you have salted, you can use that. We're going to sprinkle our Rosa Mae poultry seasoning into the bowl along with the butter, and then we're going to take a kitchen utensil and we're just going to mix it until it's well combined, okay? So go ahead, mix it like so, and then we are also going to add some oil. Now, in this video, I'm going to use avocado oil. If you don't have avocado oil, you can certainly use olive oil, okay? So let's just go ahead, drizzle that in, and now we're just going to mix it until it's nice and combined just like so. So back to the turkey. We're going to take that mixture that we just mixed up and we're going to paint our turkey. We're going to get all surfaces, but not just the surfaces. I want you to get underneath the skin as well. Now remember, I'm making this turkey for me and my family. So if you want to wear gloves and you want your nails cut short and stuff like that, you know, I'll be reading the comments. Make sure your nails are cut short and you wear gloves if that's how you get down, okay? But anyway, now we're going to take our seasoning salt and I'm going to sprinkle it all over my turkey. That Rosa Mae seasoning salt does it every time. And now we are going to make sure we get all surfaces and sides. So we're going to place this in the oven for, well, it depends on how big your turkey is. But if you want the complete measurements, make sure you head over to iHeartRecipes.com. I'll get you right there and you can print out the recipe there. And we're just going to baste it, baby. Baste it until it's all nice and glistening just like so. We're going to bake it a little more, and when it is done, it's going to look just like this. I don't know about y'all, but I like my turkey to pretty much fall off the bone. You know, I don't want to do the whole big thing where you got to pull out the knives and cut the turkey. I just want to tear that baby apart just like this, okay? And that's how I make my turkey. Now, don't forget, if you want the complete measurements, you can get it at iHeartRecipes.com. And if you are in need of your fixings for Thanksgiving, head over to RosaMaeSeasonings.com. You can get the Fam Giving Box. It's available for a limited time. If it's sold out by the time you watch this video, you can go ahead and buy the seasonings individually, okay? So again, you can get this at RosaMaeSeasonings.com. I want to thank y'all all for watching, and I will see you very soon.